Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm out here at the Home Again, and I've managed to pick up a nice little package. Yep, I know, I said I wasn't going to get any more of them, but 19 bucks. This one has got about a gallon of kerosene in it too, so just that much better. So it's always fun to come out here. I get to see all kinds of cool stuff, and I got a nice prize today. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. Yeah. What I meant to say was, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.